I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all of you as we gather here today for a noble cause, the ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Agreement between the University of Eastern Philippines and the Department of Education. This collaboration signifies not just a formal partnership, but also a shared commitment to addressing critical issues of gender equality, youth empowerment, and community development in our province. It is with great pride and enthusiasm that we mark this undertaking today, a milestone we anticipate to help us improve our services.
Promises to empower our youth with knowledge, skills, and support to make informed choices about the health and well-being of our youth. And so I find this project a very timely thing to be done. And this is indeed a noble cause because time and again, it is really a big problem. It's not just here in this town, but all over Northern Samar. And it's not only here in the province, it is through to all communities all over the Philippines. And so teachers as we are indeed obliged to support our students, not just in their learning, but for them also to be molded as good citizens.
Budget proposal empower choices, educate, advocate, and campaign against unwanted pregnancy among selected schools in the Department of Education Division of Northern Samar is a very timely, innovative, I suppose, relevant initiative to at least solve, minimize, and or resolve the problem of adolescent pregnancies. Why? It is because that adolescent pregnancy is an undeniable truism, and it is a failed global issue, significantly affecting the health issue worldwide, particularly in low and middle income countries, and the Philippines is not an exemption to such.
This Memorandum of Agreement is entered into by and between the University of Eastern Philippines through Graduate Studies, Gender and Development, College of Arts and Communication, an agency of the National Government of the Republic of the Philippines, University Town Northern Samar, represented by the University President, Dr. Cherry I. Ultra, herein after referred to as UEP, and the Department of Education, an agency of the National Government of the Republic of the Philippines, with office address at the DepEd Central Office, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, represented by the Schools Division Superintendent of the Schools Division of Northern Samar, Gaudentius C. Alhibi Jr., PhD, CESO 6, herein after referred to as DepEd. So with this, whereas the Graduate Studies College
and endorse the target participants, teachers and students from the schools for the conduct of school-based seminars, trainings, or LAC sessions. Facilitate communication and coordination with schools under its jurisdiction for the implementation of the activities.
The part of the University of Eastern Philippines, we are very thankful because it's really biblical. According to Proverbs 27:17, we should always collaborate with each other in order to address the concerns of our communities. We have limited resources, so kailangan natin makipag-collaborate, maghingi ng tulong sa Department of Education. Kasi marami silang mga experts that could support us in the fulfillment of our mandated functions: instruction, research, extension, and production. So thank you to our very active SDS.
HIV and or AIDS and/or teenage pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy, these are sort of maturational and situational crisis. It has a very huge impact to the life of the person, particularly so not only on the physical aspect, but on the mental health aspect and well-being. Kaya dito kami sa DepEd, kasama na yan sa pillars of educating our young, ang mental health and well-being of our children. Kaya usually incorporated, integrated na ang pagtuturo. No? Pero very sensitive kasi ang pag-usapan ang sexuality education. Kaya it is good that the university through the proponent and our office is having this collab so that we can address issues on how we are going to deliver on matters of the strategic and methodical approaches sa pamamagitan ng tamang pagtuturo sa ating mga kabataan. Doon natin ma-prevent ang mga unwarranted na mga situations or maturational psychological issues na dapat i-prevent na magmumula mismo sa educators.
Of the UEP Graduate Studies, Gender and Development Center, College of Arts and Communication, and the DepEd Northern Samar will strengthen our collaboration to further enhance the Gender and Development Initiative and better serve the stakeholders in the province.